What's up guys, welcome back to another exciting video. In this video I'm going to show you how to blur your video backgrounds in CapCut on your mobile phone. This is a very quick video, so let's get started. But wait, if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a few seconds to do that right now. Subscribe to my channel and drop a comment down below. Let me know the video you want to see next. And don't forget to like this video. It will really mean a lot to me. Now let's get started.
Here in CapCut, create a new project, add your video, do your necessary editing or adjustment. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to use this video right here. Once you are done with your editing or any necessary adjustment, the first thing you're going to do is to download the video. So click on export at the top right corner. And the next thing you're going to do is to add blur effect to this particular one. Locate effects at the bottom, then click on video effects. You can find the blur effect at the lens tab, or you can simply search for it at the search bar. Click on any of the blur effects, then you can click on it again to adjust the intensity of the blur. I'm going to go for 50 is okay. Click on OK, then adjust or drag the blur effect to cover the entire video. The next we're going to do is to download this one. So to do that, click on export at the top right corner. Once you're done, go back and create a new project. Then you're going to first add the one with the blur effect. The next you're going to do is to overlay or add the one without the blur effect. To do that, click on overlay at the bottom, then add overlay. Then select the one without the blur effect. Zoom it to fit the entire screen. And the next we are going to do is to remove the background of this one. To do that, locate remove background, then click on auto removal. Wait for a few seconds and CapCut is going to remove the background for you. Next, I'm going to show you a few tips to ensure or achieve better results. First of all, make sure you mute one of the clips. So once this one is selected, let's go to volume at the bottom and drag it down to 0. And the next thing you can do to achieve better results is to scale this particular one so that the subject can cover entirely the subject behind it. So scroll to basic, then click on scale and scale this one up to, I usually use 105%, then click on OK, and as you can see, it is looking much better now. So that is how to blur the background of your videos in CapCut.